Pane chitiko choshamisa chavhundutsa vanhu mumastreets chinoonekwa kunzi aiwa there is a missing aiwa sister aiwa anonzi activist Nadia aiwa aizikanwa anga neproject yake yeflorisha aiwa yebluma yamuri kuona mapictures umo. Now pana pautogwa kunzi aiwa this lady now she has been abducted. It is now 5 days asi pasingazivikanwa kuti ari kupi, and after that pakudiscoverwa kunzi aiwa all the holdings zvese zvake zvakuya zvichipublishwa zvinzi aiwa zvava maoko aiwa one of the top aiwa aids with the ruling party ZANU-PF was subscribe or like on the bell kuti mira panapa pahendo yechizendo mudanyora chi said update our missing sister and activist Nadia. Things are not looking good for our sister Nadia, who has been missing for 5 days after being abducted by unknown individuals. Police Zimbabwe is yet to provide any useful information. What's even more heartbreaking is that, in her absence, the project has been completely taken over by Batsirai Matiza, son of the late ZANU-PF minister Joe P.G. Matiza. He is now claiming it as his own, even posting about it, while ZANU-PF platforms celebrate it as his success. Why could the real owner remains missing? See pictures below. One post my pictures ever kuna the ruling party ZANU-PF vachipost my pictures awo vachiti aiwa ndiye this guy ari kunzi Batsirai Matiza vanyora vachiti kudos to comrade Batsirai Matiza, secretary for environment, for launching a massive tree nursery project in Murewa. Over 1 million trees planted, 100,000 saplings to be distributed to each province, and 100 plus jobs created. Domashwa nobuda vachitaura panapa. Aruka as I said aiwa update and arikubata bata vanhu vachiti aiwa munhu he own aiwa hard work yakuya ichitogona kumuna the ruling party ZANU-PF. Ngoti mafunguro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi pena comment section yedu mutize mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like.